Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Zoom account on mobile step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Zoom and confirm the app name is Zoom Workplace. Tap Install or Get and wait until the app finishes downloading. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Zoom. On the first screen, look for the option that says Sign In. Tap Sign In to continue to the login page. Choose your preferred sign-in method depending on how your Zoom account was created. If you created your account with email, tap Sign In with email. Type your email address carefully in the email field. Type your password carefully in the password field. If you want the app to remember you, enable the option to stay signed in if it is available. Tap Sign In and wait a moment for Zoom to verify your information. If you see an error, double-check that your email and password are spelled correctly. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. If you created your Zoom account using Google, go back and tap Sign In with Google. Select your Google account on the phone, or tap Use another account to add a different one. Review the permission screen if it appears. Then tap Continue to approve. If you created your Zoom account using Apple, go back and tap Sign In with Apple. Choose Continue with Password, Face ID, or Touch ID depending on your device settings. If you created your Zoom account using Facebook, go back and tap Sign In with Facebook. Enter your Facebook login details if asked, then confirm to continue. If your organization uses SSO, tap Sign In with SSO. Enter your company domain, such as your company, then tap Continue. Complete any verification steps, such as a code sent by email, SMS, or an authenticator app. If Zoom asks for notification permission, allow it so you can receive meeting reminders. If Zoom asks for microphone and camera access, allow it so you can join meetings smoothly. After signing in, confirm you are on the home screen and your profile shows the correct account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.